I'll be showing you the top live analytics apps for your Shopify store. And for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their pricing, reviews, and their features, as well as the UI, so you can make the best decision for your store. So the first app we'll be taking a look at is called Realtime Stack. You get unique customer insights, analyze live visitor behavior, and you can see live and abandoned carts. This lets you visualize in real time customers and customer actions, and it's going to eliminate the need for digging through lengthy reports or data analysis. You can track things such as customer activity, viewed items, searches made, cart additions, checkouts, and instances when a cart is abandoned. So you can get live tables to see what's going on, live analytics, live campaigns, as well as a live map of where your customers are. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan where you can see online customers and one active view. It's going to go up to $39 a month, where you get access to all the features. In terms of reviews, it has an excellent 4.6 star rating with 16 5-star reviews. If we check the latest review here, this person uses this app about 1,000 times a day. They can see the team has been putting in a lot of work into new features, and the app keeps on getting better and better. They can see the things that shop owners are interested in, and they're actually going and implementing them. For our second app here, it's called Upl Live Analytics. So you can track visitor activity in shopping carts in real time with early customer detection. So you can get an easy to understand dashboard here on what's going on in your store in real time. You can see visitor activity, as well as different date ranges, so you can analyze what's going on. In terms of pricing, there's a 3-day free trial, and it's a flat $5 a month, and it has 2 reviews with a perfect 5 stars. So lastly, we'll take a look at a more advanced analytics app here. It's called Polar Analytics. So you can turn your data into profit faster, and it's one source of truth for all your data with no code required. They have one-click integrations with Shopify, Amazon, Google, Meta, TikTok, Klaviyo, and more. You can get custom KPI dashboards for ad spend, your CAC, LTV, ROAS, CVR, cohorts, inventory, and more. You also get real-time alerts, so you can never miss a drop in conversion rate again. So it makes it easy to connect all your data together, all your KPIs at a glance. You can accurately calculate CAC and LTV. You also get custom reporting, so you can really drill down. And in terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and it starts at $300 a month. There's a $450 a month plan where you get more features. There's also an enterprise plan as well. So this app really is designed for larger stores, and it has a perfect 5-star rating with over 100 5-star reviews, and merchants highly value this app for its customizable metrics and data consolidation. It's particularly useful for businesses with multiple stores and marketing platforms as well. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. You can get one-click calculations. All you need to do is select the date range you're looking for, and you're going to get real-time calculations for your revenue, cost of goods sold, as well as your ad spend, including Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Pinterest, TikTok, and Bing. And it also has integrations with CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress. You get a ton of different details and analytics, and there's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left here. So make sure you check that out to get one-click profit calculations. So this concludes the videos on the top live analytic apps for your Shopify store. Let me know in the comments which ones you plan to use, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I come up with new Shopify videos all the time, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.